In October 2022, business magnate Elon Musk acquired Twitter. However, during this period, it retained the original name Twitter Incorporated. In March 2023, Musk established X and subsequently merged Twitter into X, ultimately marking the end of Twitter Incorporated. In the ensuing month, he unveiled the new logo for the rebranded entity, X. Musk is not the only example of business owner who has undertaken company name and brand transformation. Few days ago, I read in the news that Stanbic IBTC Holdings changed the name of its fintech subsidiary from Stanbic IBTC Financial Services Limited to Zest Payment Limited. This video aims to outline the motivations that drive business owners to alter their company brand names, and it will also provide insight into the legal and strategic measures required to ensure a smooth transition process. My name is Yeiyah, and I am your legal business companion. On this channel, I share legal tips that help business owners safeguard their interests, protect their assets, scale their businesses. Please subscribe and hit on the notification button to get updates anytime I post insightful videos. Thank you. Brand or companies change their business names for various reasons, including a change in business direction, target audience, or image. It might necessitate rebranding effort, which often involves the change in the business names to better reflect the new identity. According to Musk, his vision for X is to be an everything app where you can carry out various transactions, as Twitter is no longer a suitable name. The other point is legal issues. Regulatory authorities may reject a business name due to trademark conflict or similarities with existing names. To comply with legal requirements, a business might choose to change its name. I received denial notice from the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria when clients present names that conflict with existing business names or trademarks. Section 30 of the Companies and Allied Matters Act provide for the procedures to follow. Mergers and acquisition. After mergers or acquisition, companies might adopt a new name that reflects the combined entity and its value. This is what happened during the merger of X and Twitter. Twitter ceased to exist and X remained. Expansion. A company that expands into a new market, offers new products, services, might change its name to encompass the broader scope of its operations. Cultural sensitivity. In cases where a business expands internationally, a name change might be necessary to avoid cultural or linguistic misunderstanding. Outdated image. A dated or obsolete name can make a business seem old-fashioned or irrelevant, prompting a change to stay current. Personalization. Sometimes a business owner's name is a part of its brand, and a name change might reflect a shift in leadership or ownership. Strategic repositioning. A name change can signal a strategic shift in the business focus, enabling it to pursue new opportunities. Domain availability. A name change might be required if the designed domain name is already taken or not aligned with the brand. Implementation of a change of name for a business involves several legal steps to ensure smooth transition and compliance with regulations. Here are key legal measures to consider. Check name availability. Before finalizing a new name, conduct a thorough search to ensure if it is available and doesn't infringe on any existing trademarks or entities. This can help avoid legal conflicts down the line. Update business documentation. Prepare necessary documents including resolutions from the board or shareholders authorizing the name change. Update memorandum of and articles of association with the new name. File required forms. File the appropriate forms and applications with the relevant regulatory body or authorities to officially change the business name. This may involve submitting a formal application and paying the required fees. Notify government agencies. Inform government agencies such as tax authorities and regulatory bodies about the name change. Update licenses, permits, and registrations accordingly. Update intellectual property. If the business name change affects trademarks, copyrights, or patents associated with the brand, ensure that these assets are updated. Update online presence. The business online presence, including its website, social media profiles, and email address, to reflect the new name. Then you have to go ahead to notify the stakeholders, notify your customers, your suppliers, partners, and other stakeholders about the name change. Communicate the reason for the change and relevant details. Maintain records. Keep a record of all legal steps taken during the name change process. This documentation can be valuable for future references or audits. Musk employed a systematic strategy, gradually acquainting the public with the name and the logo changes until they became widely accepted. This is where I'll be wrapping up. The information I share here are for educational purposes. For personalized advice, please meet your lawyer. The video to the end. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe and hit on the notification button. Thank you. Humble self, say that much, Josephine. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.